How to make molded candles. Melt clean wax in a double boiler. Thread a large needle with your wick. Thread the needle and the wick through the bottom of your candle mold and pull the wick up through the mold. Secure the outside of the mold with rubber bands, making sure that the seams are lined up and tightly sealed. Place the mold so that it is lifted slightly off a surface to provide a space for the wick underneath. Make sure the mold is level. Place a popsicle stick on either side of the mold opening and use a clip to pull the wick taut. Resting the clothespins on the popsicle sticks, make sure that the wick is centered in your mold. Lightly spray the inside of the mold with mold release spray. Using a pouring container, slowly fill the mold with melted wax, pouring towards the center of the mold. Slowly allow the candle to cool completely. Once cooled, remove the clothespin, popsicle sticks, and the rubber bands. Gently pulling the mold open, remove the candle from the mold. Cut off the wick on the bottom of the candle, and trim the wick on the top of the candle, leaving about a ½ inch of wick remaining. Check to see if your candle sits evenly. If it doesn't, you may need to retrim the wick on the bottom of the candle or flatten the candle base. To flatten the bottom of a candle, you can run it along a piece of tin foil placed over very low heat. Then press the melted base onto a piece of parchment paper to flatten it.